Meet the all-in-one drone system, the smart guardian of photovoltaic power plants. From day one of construction, it tracks progress with precision and site security, giving you a bird's-eye view of every milestone. When the plant goes live, the drone seamlessly transitions into operation and maintenance mode, performing visual and thermal inspections of PV modules, transformer stations, inverters, and even battery storage systems. All data is monitored and stored securely through CyberXHub software, ready whenever you need it. The CyberXHub is a customizable, AI-powered, all-in-one software platform developed in Germany for the comprehensive management of industrial drone operations. Through monitoring, mission planning, data analysis, and automated documentation, it ensures the safe automation of processes, reduces documentation effort, and enables significant time and cost savings. And when security matters most, the drone is always on call. GPS and infrared sensors trigger alarms, instantly deploying the drone as a mobile CCTV. It confirms the situation before specialized personnel or police arrive, keeping your site safe around the clock. Scalable across renewable energy systems, this single solution covers the entire life cycle of your power plant. Construction, operation, security. All streamlined, all protected. The all-in-one drone system, redefining energy management from above.